Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Golden Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. Many of you who have been watching our videos have asked us this question that how much does it cost to become an airline pilot? Well, as you all know, to reach the cockpit of your dream airline, there are many phases of training that is included. The cost of your training is going to depend on many factors. Naming some is maybe the country that you choose to fly in, or the rate of aviation fuel at that time, or the per hour flying charges of the aircraft that you choose to fly. So these are the many factors that you need to consider. If you wish to do your training, it is going to cost you about anywhere in between 40 to 45 lakhs. And if you wish to fly in a good school abroad, for example, United States, you might end up paying 50 to 55 lakhs as your fee. Now, if you wish to get into the airlines more quickly, you might even need to get a type rating, which again will cost you anywhere between 15 to 20 lakhs depending on the type of aircraft that you take your type rating on. Naming some A320, Boeing 737 or whichever you want to do. Now, there is another path that you can take, which is the cadet pilot program. Like I have already told you about in my previous videos, there are many cadet pilot programs offered by various airlines like Indigo, AirAsia, Air Arabia, Emirates, Qatar Airways and so on. Now what happens with the cadet pilot program vacancy is that when the company announces the vacancy, they call you for a written examination, you have your aptitude tests, your interviews, GD and so on. Now the best part about a cadet pilot program is that once you are taken in, your CPL, your type rating and everything will be done by the company, but you will be paying the amount for that. But since the cadet pilot program comes with the guarantee of giving you a job, cadet pilot programs are more expensive compared to a conventional CPL program. Where a CPL program in India costs about 40 to 45 lakhs, the same way a cadet pilot program would cost you anywhere between 1 to 1.5 crores. But the only positive thing here is that once you're done with your cadet pilot program training, you are directly joining the airline. Which is not the scenario for a conventional CPL, because once you get your CPL, you might either want to go for a type rating or you would wait for the airlines to announce a vacancy and you would be appearing for the written examination and the general selection procedure that happens as usual. Now the choice is totally yours if you want to go the conventional way or you choose the cadet pilot program way. And this completely depends on how much you can afford. There are many bank loan options available if you wish to take a bank loan, about which I am going to be telling you in my next video. So now that I have given you a comparison between the cadet pilot program and the conventional program, it's totally upon you to decide which suits you better. I hope this will help you making the right decision for yourself. For more such updates and videos, keep following our channel Golden Epaulettes Aviation. Come, let's fly!